The vertices of a rectangle are F16, G76, H72, and J12. Draw the rectangle in the coordinate plane and find its perimeter. So remember, again, every coordinate point, the point X and then point Y. So you go on the X-axis first and then the Y-axis. So F is 1, 6. So you go over 1 on the Y-axis, over 1 on the X-axis, up 6 on the Y-axis and make a point. So 1, 6 is F. Then we're going to go over 7, up 6 for point G. For point H, over 7, up 2 for point H. And then point J is over 1, up 2. That is point J. So then connect the points. And you get your rectangle. Now it says we want to find the perimeter. So when you're finding the perimeter, remember that is the distance around the shape. So the easiest way to do this is you think of the distance in between each of the sides. So if you look at the distance from here to here, this is 1 and this is 7. So if you did 7 minus 1, you get 6. Or you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So from F to G is 6 units. And then from G to H, we would do this. From G to H, we would find, and we could count 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Or since H is at 2 and G is at 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So then we know that that's 4 units. Now we could count again, or remember that for opposite sides of a rectangle, they are equal. So that means that those two sides are equal, and then these two sides are equal. But let's just count to double check. So from H to J is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the same as F to G. And then from J to F should be the same as G to H. So from here to here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, which is the same. Now when we find the perimeter, we can add those all up. 6 plus 4 is 10, and then another 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20. And then since we're doing the perimeter, but they don't tell us what the unit is, we would just say 20 units for the perimeter of this rectangle.